This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of heating and HVAC testing equipment, biggest selection and best pricing on the internet, create a free login to see best pricing once logged in. Link in description below. Scrap and trailer all full. I'm going to the dump with it. Just put some air in the tires. Everything worked out pretty good actually. It's full. That's where it was parked right there. I gotta take that cart with me, so I gotta use it to get some of the stuff out. But I might have bent my rake. That's where it was parked right there. I was able to just, load it right up, and once it's full, I take it to the dump. I mean, it's working out good. A lot of water heaters and furnaces and stuff. It's just starting to get on AC season, just starting to warm up now. But I'm going to need to take that cart with me. Either that or a little aluminum one. I think I got a small aluminum one over here I could use. Give it the old Gandhi, Mama. Give it the old Gandhi. I just dumped that stuff off. I had a couple of motors in there, probably, maybe 8 motors or something like that. So the motors and all the junk, it was like 270, something like that total. Well, the idea of the trailer is I park it in my yard, I load it up one time, and when it's full, I hook onto it and just take it to the dump, to the junkyard. And I don't have to put in a pile in my yard and then load it again. It's one time, loading it one time. That's it. So it wasn't bad. Would take me about, probably about an hour altogether by the time I drove there and dumped it off. Not bad. Keeps my yard relatively clean. Keep, all the metal goes in one area. Give it the old Gandhi, Mama. Give it the old Gandhi. Alright, worked out good. I just usually put one gate down here so I could, come right in here and fill it back up with water heaters. And I got these 6 barrels here. I put the loose stuff in here. Expansion tanks and pipe and, small metal trash. That's it. Worked out good for me. I'd have to look back on when I did my original video, but I think it was last fall I did it. I mean, I gotta, cut this stuff apart. We should be starting to get some more condensers and A-coils and stuff soon. It's that time of year to be doing change outs. Starting to warm up, so May 15th. May 15th, so that's it. Worked out good. I mean, I leave it right there, and I easily back my truck right in, boom, and works out good. 4-foot chain link fence worked out really good actually for the scrapping trailer. I got to get a couple of more tires. I'm gonna measure the hubs. A couple of them more. I need 2 more, and then I'll use one of these for a spare. I really should have a spare with me at all times in case I blow a tire or something. That's it.